Hello. Today I'm going to show you the overrun full cut-off mode in or at your Audi A1 S1 Sportback, for example. A car or your car uses most fuel when accelerating. If you anticipate hazards and speed change well in advance, you will need to brake less and thus accelerate less. Wherever possible, let the car slow down gradually with the gear engaged. This is important. You have to get the gear engaged to get in the overrun full cut-off mode. For instance, when you can see that the next traffic lights are yellow or red, then you can imagine you have to stop in, for example, 50 or 70 meters. That means take the gas down, do not accelerate, and then you will come automatically in overrun full cut-off mode. This takes advantage of the engine braking effect because the gear engaged. It reducing the wear on the brakes and tires. These are more awesome options in this mode. Emissions and fuel consumption will drop to zero. That means no emissions and fuel will used in your engine at this time. It will drop to zero due to the overrun full cut-off mode. It is easy to use and it's nice for your pocket, nice for your braking system, and nice for your tires. And of course, nice for your engine too. Because if you not have so much power, then it is cheaper for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and see you next time again. Soon.